Welcome to 184 Easy Street, where the views are easy on the eyes. Gorgeous ocean views from the sun deck or the shaded porch. This home is located just across the boulevard from the ocean, and from our two front bedrooms, there are ocean views. Nice to wake up to. As you see coming into the home, we have a beautifully decorated den and dining room open concept. To the right, we have a very pretty bedroom. Once again, when you wake up, you'll look out your window to see the ocean. As we come through this bedroom, we have a bath with a shower, and into the next bedroom. Again, so cute, 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 cute. Great bunk beds. Plenty of room for everyone. This is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath home. Across the way we have the kitchen. Brand new dishwasher and stove, brand new counters. Very nicely done. We'll come by where the washer and dryer are. And owner's closet. And then into the master suite. Once again, professionally decorated, just move-in ready, waiting for you to come and enjoy this oasis by the sea. Wake up in the morning, look at that gorgeous view, sparkling blue waters, and this bedroom has its own bath with a tub shower. And we come back around. This home could be yours today. Just give us a call and let's make this your beach oasis. See you on the sand.